Welcome to this session. Today we are going to study about the development of embryo. We will study first development of embryo in a dicot, example Capsella. In the process of development of zygote to embryo, such process is called as embryogenesis. In the post-fertilization changes, the zygote, they are present towards the microfilar end of the ovule, and these are the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. Now, these zygote initially they divides into two unequal cells. Smaller cell, they are present towards the chalazal end. It is known as embryonal initial. And larger cell, they are present towards the microfilar end. It is known as a suspensor initial. Whole these two-celled structure, it is known as proembryo. Now, with the help of the chart, we will study that is zygote, they forms proembryo, which is a two-celled. Now, these proembryo, their cells, they divides. That is, one is the large suspensor initial. They forms 6 to 10 celled suspensor, and these long and elongated suspensor. The first cell of the suspensor, it is known as hystorium, and the lower or the last cell of the suspensor, it is called as hypophysis. Now, in this figure, these are long and elongated suspensor. Here, the first cell of suspensor, it is known as hystorium, and these hystorium, they helpful for the absorption of nutrients for the development of embryo. And this is the last or the lowest cell of suspensor. It is called as hypophysis, and this hypophysis, it should be helpful for the development of radicle and root cap. Now, these are embryonal initial, they divides vertically or longitudinally, and from one embryonal initial there is the formation of two embryonal cells. Now, the three successive mitotic divisions are takes place. Now, in the first mitotic division, these are two embryonal cells are formed. In the second mitotic division, from two cells, there is the four embryonal cells are formed. It is known as embryonal mass. Now, these are the four-celled embryo. Now, third mitotic division, there is from the four cells, there is the formation of 8 cells. That is the 8-celled embryonal mass. Now, with the help of this chart, we will study. Suppose these are the small embryonal initial. They form 2-celled embryo in the first mitotic division, 4-celled embryo in the second mitotic division, and 8-celled embryo in the third mitotic division. It is also called as octant. These are 8-celled embryonal mass which consist of two tiers, these 8 cells. One is the lower tier and another is the upper tier. Now these are lower tier, they forms hypocotyle and radical, while the upper tier they forms plumule and cotyledons. Here these are the octant. Now these hypophyses, these are the cell, lower cell of the suspensor, that is the hypophyses. They also forms the radicle and root cap, and again the suspensor they divides and number of cells they are added in the suspensor, that is which is a long and elongated, and whatever these embryonal mass they are pushed in the endosperm tissue. Now these hystoria they absorb the nutrients and provides to the embryonal mass or further development of the embryonal mass. Now from this octant, number of cell divisions which is takes place from the this upper tier, and there is the formation of these heart-shaped embryonal mass. It is known as heart-shaped embryo. They are having hypophyses, long elongated suspensor and hystoria, and these heart-shaped embryo later the development of the hypocotyle and these cotyledons, it becomes curve shaped and it is known as horseshoe shaped embryo. So these are horseshoe shaped embryo which consist of these are two cotyledons in dipods and a hypocotyle, radical, root cap, radical they forms the root system and plumule they forms the shoot system. So in this way the development of the embryo which is takes place in the dipod plants